Hi guys, so I'm filming a little intro for this video that I've already edited. That light is weird. I haven't uploaded it in like quite a while. It may have been a month already, but I've been trying to vlog this whole time. I kind of like built up this like mental block in my head with like, I need to finish this vlog before I can start a new vlog. I kept filming, but I just felt like I wasn't doing anything that interesting, so that explains kind of like the choppiness. But I just want to say that before the vlog kind of starts, and yeah, I hope you guys like this one. Hi guys, so today is Saturday and Kate and I are going to do some projects around the house and around our front yard. We're going to plant all these little seeds we got that are like flowers. I think the seeds are already out in the front yard, but I'll show you guys what the packets look like. All these are like little wildflowers and stuff, so I'm excited to see if we can actually make those grow. And then we have some twinkle lights to hang up. We already have some in our yard, but we want to hang up a few more. Just some fun stuff around the house. Saturday weekend projects. Okay, so here are the seed packets I was talking about. We like have so many. I don't know if all these will grow in the area that we have, so kind of depends on sunlight and stuff, but we're gonna plant some in some pots as well. And oh my gosh, we have so many. Yeah, this is definitely an experiment, so don't look to us as experts, but we'll see what happens. I think it should help. I'm like trying not to do too much. That's probably better. Okay, so we just planted a bunch of seeds in there, and I mean there's really nothing to show for it yet, but I guess I'll keep you guys posted on if they grow or not, and we'll see what happens there.
Is that my boy? Jump! Ah, I know, I love you. I love you.
My weenie vlog.
He's a weenie.
Oh. Weenie. What did we get?
What did we get, Franklin?
What's in the box?
What's in here, Franklin?
Franklin, will you please open it?
Can you do an unboxing?
Oh, good job, Frank.
Good job, Franklin.
Oh my gosh, those are so cute. Those are cute.
Yeah, you like?
So cute. Franklin, don't bite the basket. No, no, no.
Baby.
Frank.
You're hiding my basket.
Look at the peaches.
Oh, they're peaches.
No, don't chew the basket. Franklin, hey.
Hey. I got a bowl.
That's cute. Good morning, vlog. I am so puffy today. My allergies are coming in hot. I've taken 2 Claritin. I did my Flonase, like nasal spray, but I'm so puffy. I don't know if you can even tell, but my like eyelids or under eyes and eyelids are so puffy and like heavy today. And I feel just very like in a haze. I think it's from like gardening and being out in my front yard over the weekend, and there was just like a lot of dust and pollen because spring is coming, which is really exciting. But oh my gosh, I did this in my last video where I grabbed these out. But it's a little bit annoying, and I feel like I'm finally starting to wake up, and it's 11 a.m. right now, and I've been up for a while. It just feels like I can't wake up. Anyway, how's your guys' day going? Do you have seasonal allergies like this? Does anybody else relate? Let me know in the comments below and what you do to help. My eyelids are so heavy today. I think I'm gonna ice my face a little bit. I mean, it's not that big of a deal when I'm just home alone, but I just feel it in my face. I feel tired and like allergic. But I'm here with Franklin. We have so much laundry to do today. That's literally all clean laundry I need to fold and put away. That I've been putting off, and I have some fun packages to go pick up from my PO box. I might go do that in a little bit. And my mirror that I ordered still isn't here. It's been over a week, and it was supposed to be here last Friday, and it's Tuesday today, and it's making me sad. I want my new mirror, so I might call FedEx and see what the deal is, because it's been in California since Friday. It's just sitting in some like distribution center that's literally like 50 miles away, if I could just go drive and pick it up, I would, but I don't think you can do that. So I'm gonna call FedEx and figure out what's going on, because I want to show you guys my new mirror and I want to make my room all nice and cute. And yeah, so I'm gonna figure that out. So I just picked up my packages from my mailbox. We're gonna unbox and see what is in them when I get home. Alrighty, so I just got home. This is another box inside this box, but I think it's like the actual box. Okay. It is the Dose & Co. by Chloe, which is like Khloe Kardashian's new collagen company, collagen protein company. Here is what this looks like. Beautiful. This is so exciting. Okay, so this is just the pure collagen. Look how cute this packaging is. And then this next one is dairy-free collagen creamer. That sounds so good. Try that tomorrow. This one is the collagen protein powder and chocolate. That's exactly what I wanted earlier today. Maybe I'll make a protein. Hi, Franklin. Okay, let's open one of these. So this, ooh, I know what this is. Okay, so this is from this company called Peach and Lily, which I love. I use their sheet masks all the time. And I saw on Instagram their new products, a new collection that just came out called Snail Rescue. And it is an just like super moisturizing. Let me see what products they sent me. So this is the intensive wash off mask, fast track to hydrated blemish free skin. That's what I need because I am so dry. And then this is the moisturizer. So I will try these out and let you guys know how I like those, but I'm so excited to try those. This next package I have been waiting for. This is from the new makeup company called Merit, and their stuff looks so good. Here's their little card that came with my package. I'm so excited to try this. Franklin, is Franklin gonna let me film? So how cute is this little bag that the products came in? This is the brush. Cute. I don't use makeup brushes a whole lot, so I'm excited to try this one out and see how I like it. This is the Cheek Color in Terracotta. It's a little darker than I would usually go, but it looked so pretty on the website. I wanted to try that one. This is the foundation. They call it their Perfecting Complexion Stick, and I got it in the color Linen. They had so many colors to choose from on their website. So I hope I picked the right one, but I thought that was really cool how many colors they had. I feel like that will be the right color because I'm pretty fair, but I have yellow undertones in my skin. So that's why I went with Linen. And then this is the highlighter. Their highlighting balm, and I got it in the color Day Glow, which I think is like kind of a golden color. Yes, that is so pretty. Love that. This is their tinted lip oil. It's gorgeous. Really pretty. I'll definitely have to do a look and show you guys this stuff on because I'm so excited to try it out. This is their volumizing pomade for brows, and I got it in the color Blonde because that's me color. I use Boy Brow, like I swear by it because I love it, but I'm excited to try another brow pomade and see how I like it. This is super cute packaging on this too. All their packaging is like really chic looking. I'll let you guys know how I like these products. I feel like everyone that I follow on Instagram has been using Merit lately and like loving it, and it looks so gorgeous, so I'm excited to try that out for myself. Okay, and I actually just realized I do have one more package. Okay, so this jewelry company, Filippo Loretti, I think that's how you pronounce it, was so nice and reached out and wanted to gift me some jewelry. So I sent them my favorites. I'm not sure exactly what they sent me though, so let's see what's in here. Okay, this ring is so cute. This super simple just gold band. How pretty is that? So pretty. Okay, let's see what's in the next. Ooh, this super cute gold chain. Wow, I love this. Now I feel like I need to do my makeup and get ready and put jewelry on and a cute outfit. Wow, that's so cute. I love simple jewelry so much because I don't wear a lot of jewelry, so I feel like it needs to be like dainty and simple, or else I feel like it's just too much on me. So pretty. I will be sure to tag everything that I just unboxed down below so you guys can find it if you are interested. So today's been a weird day. This jackhammer across the street has been doing this all day long. So I feel like I literally can't even think inside my brain. I slept on my neck weird last night, so I can't turn my neck to the left. And it's 3:20 in the afternoon. It's just been one of those days. I had like all these grand plans to like go to Pilates and be super productive, and then I woke up and I couldn't move my neck. So now I'm making a protein shake because I haven't eaten lunch yet and I don't really have anything in the house to eat. I don't want to go shopping. So I'm gonna have a protein shake for a late lunch, and yeah, this is my check-in. I hope you're doing better than I am today, but I'm grateful. So I thought today would be the perfect day to clean out my closet, and I feel like the jackhammer is inside of my head and it's so annoying. So I thought the furthest room away from the front of the house is my room. I close the door, I can still hear it very clearly, but it is a little bit quieter back here. It stopped for a minute, so maybe that's a good sign. Maybe they're gonna stop soon. But I'm gonna clean out my closet, and I mean, you guys know how to clean out a closet. Here is my closet. It is very little, but it works fine. But I just have way too much stuff, and yeah, I feel like I don't even wear half my clothes. I'm sure you guys can relate, especially this year. I mean, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not wearing anything except for to take an Instagram photo. I think I'm gonna make a few piles. I'm gonna make like a donate pile. Well, I need to try stuff on too. Try on, donate, Poshmark, possibly Depop. I sell all of my vintage stuff on Depop and my regular clothes on Poshmark. Don't ask why, I just feel like those things sell better on separate platforms. And those will be linked down below if you guys want to check out what I end up listing. But yeah, there's not much more talking I need to do. I'm gonna put my AirPods in and start cleaning. So I just went through all my hanging stuff, and why is it that it always feels like you have so much stuff you want to get rid of, and then when you actually go through every item you're like, no, I'm gonna wear that, that's so cute, I'm gonna wear that again. But I managed to get down some stuff I know I definitely want to get rid of, and some stuff I need to try on. But I'm going to go through my drawers as well. I have 4 drawers right here. This is like bras, underwear, workout clothes, pants, jeans, and then like sleep stuff and sweatpants. So I'm gonna go through those too. I know I have a lot of workout clothes that I'm just like over and I've had for way too long and I just want to get rid of because I never wear it. And I think I have a few pairs of pants as well that I'm ready to ditch, but I really felt like I had so much more to get rid of. Maybe I'm just not being like harsh enough. Also, now that we're in like a seasonal transition, now I'm like excited to wear some of this like spring and summer stuff, which I wasn't excited to wear like a month ago. Okay, we'll see what happens. Oh, I will show you how bad my workout drawer is. Okay, so this is my workout clothes drawer. I need to go through this. This is a disaster. It was beautifully folded and organized, and then I just kept shoving more and more and more and more and more and more in here. So I desperately need to go through all of this. Unfortunately, I do think I need to try a lot of this on because some are like leggings I haven't put on in a while and I don't know if they fit or not anymore. So this might take a minute. Okay, so now that we're kind of at the end of the vlog, I want to give you guys a few little updates because I kind of left some things open-ended. I finished going through my closet. I tried everything on, and I have a huge box of stuff that I'm going to be uploading to Poshmark. I've already uploaded like half of it, so be sure to check that out on my Poshmark linked below. And then also, the sprouts that we planted have grown so much. They're like full little plants now. So I will show you guys that real quick. And Franklin's trying to come out. Okay, they're so cute, and it's only been a few weeks, and look how much they've grown. We planted seeds in all of these pots right here, and they're like so tall now. There's no flowers yet, but they're getting pretty tall, so I think that's a good sign. And then down here, same kind of thing, like tall little leafy guys, and no flowers yet. And then that fern was already there, but yeah, so that's the sprout update. It's been really fun to water them and watch them grow. And then these are all like those bunny tail plants. I did just bunny tails in this little guy, so yeah, they just look kind of like long grasses right now, but I'm excited to see if these guys flower. Oh, hi Frank, you stole my spot. So that is kind of it for the updates in the vlog. My new mirror did get delivered, but my room is a disaster. So I will show you guys that in the next vlog. I think he might be hungry, so I'm going to feed him, and I will see you guys next time. Yeah, bye. Want to say bye?